Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix launching the game failed, error details, unable to prepare assets for download. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to write run, and then here you need to write %update%. Go to .minecraft folder and then look for saves folder, right? So it should be saves, and then just back up all basically your saves folder so you can drag it to desktop. And once the saves is backed up, you need to basically uninstall .minecraft. Here, just delete this particular file. If something you cannot uninstall is happening, that's because Minecraft is running. So you just need to completely close Minecraft and then delete the folder, right? And everything then should be deleted. Next thing what you need to do here, you need to open up a Xbox app. Then look for Minecraft Launcher and uninstall Minecraft Launcher. Once you do so, restart your computer, go back here and reinstall Minecraft Launcher, right? It's quite easy. And then you just need to wait. Once it's installed, then you need to write run and put %update%. And then you need to go to .minecraft and then just you need to put saves to the folder here, right? Next step, just then run Minecraft Launcher, and then you need to sign in with your Microsoft account. So go ahead and do so. Then you just need to go to and launch the game, and it should work for you. Of course, all the mods, and for example, if you got Fabric or other modded, Minecraft will be deleted, so we need to re-download it again. But nevertheless, as you can see here now, everything is working perfectly fine. So that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care.